Hey, ladies and gentlemen, FedEx dropped this box off. Pretty sure I know what it is.
This is Sunday, December the 28th, 2025. And so Stephen's got a Christmas gift 3 days after Christmas. We're opening a big Christmas gift 3 days after Christmas. And we're 3 days into this flu. 3 days we've been coughing and hacking, and this is Sunday, but we can't go to church this morning. We're definitely not going to go to church this morning. We're both still...
Okay, well, what this here is, ladies and gentlemen, is... It's got some weight on it. Try not to get cut by those staples. Pull that box slowly and tear my hands up. Okay. That window's got some weight to it. I had no idea it weighed that much. Here and there, I'm just super weak, but cool. So, what this is, about a decade ago, I read an article about a guy changing out a glass on his Classic to take the wind wing out and make a wind wing delete. And what they did is they took the 379 Pete glass where they didn't have the wind wing, and they used that. And that's what this is. This is a 379 Pete side window. And I got the passenger side first, even though I don't know what the difference would be between the passenger and the driver's side would be. Maybe there's a bow on it that I don't see, but anyway, so yeah, as soon as I get well enough to get outside, maybe today I've changed over from freezing to death to sweating. So I looked it up on the internet. This the flu A, influenza A, is highly contagious, 3 to 5 days, and it takes 2 weeks to recover from it completely to where you have your energy back. So within 5 days you should start feeling better, but it takes 2 weeks to recover completely. But anyway, and you're contagious up to 5 days. So, and I already have all the other stuff for the motor. The reason why I want this, in case some of you don't know, when I'm driving down the road and I look over into the mirror on the passenger side, there's a bar right in the middle of the mirror. And like, what? That's a funny place to put a bar right in the mirror. That's where I need to see. That's what I've always thought. Ever since anytime they put a wind wing on a Pete or on a Classic and it sits right in the middle of the mirror. You know, it's hard enough to see out of a truck without making an obstacle like that. So this right here, by putting this in, will get rid of that wind wing and get a clear view of the mirror over there. That's what this is all about. This is about safety. It's not about being cool or anything else. It's about me wanting to be able to see through my mirror much better. Speaking of, bought another set of cameras for this truck. My last truck had cameras all the way around it. And I've seen on other videos that you guys like to watch, the videos where you get different camera angles. I had made several of them in my black truck. I used to make, they're a lot of work to edit. to edit all those cameras together. You got 4 cameras plus the camera you're talking on, and you have to edit them and catch the timing. Yeah, and it's pretty tricky. It's a lot of work. I've spent 10 hours editing them, but I would only get like, 250 or 50 views on them. I'm like, man, I'm not working 10 hours for 50 views, so I quit doing them. But I noticed that y'all are liking it on other channels, and so I did buy another set of cameras. I just haven't got them installed on this particular truck. And so the other question that I was asked, oh, I've been coughing so much. Now when I cough, it's like somebody stabbing me in my back with a knife. Anyway, the other question that was asked is if I'm going to be getting another truck. So I've kind of swayed away from looking for another truck right now. The only reason why I would see to go to another truck would be to do heavy haul. And I don't, in this time of my life, I don't feel like I need to be going into heavy haul. Heavy haul is a very stressful job, and if I had been doing it on a daily basis, it wouldn't be a problem. But I hadn't done it in nearly 20 years, and so I don't need that kind of stress, man. At my age, that kind of stress puts you on the side of the road with no heartbeat. I don't need that. So anyway, but if I had to do it, I would do it. It's just not something I'm looking forward to. So, but if I had to get another truck, that's what I'd be getting, another truck. So, since I'm going to be keeping this truck, I might as well make the improvements to it that I need to make, so I'll like it. Number one is wing delete on the passenger side, and if I like it, then I'll do the driver's side. But first I'm going to do passenger side. Plus I got to pull the rocker arm box and put in a new wiring harness. My coil solenoids haven't come yet. eBay's real good about this. It said it'd be here in 3 days, and then after I purchased it, and then it sends me a notice that it might not be here for 2 to 3 weeks. I get that a lot with eBay. That's one of the reasons why I don't like using eBay. You go to Amazon, it says it's going to be here in 2 to 3 days, and be here tomorrow. So that's one of the downfalls about eBay. But yeah, so anyway, I'll get that wiring harness on there and take the fuel system apart and clean it up. I also want to take the injectors out, not the injectors, but the air mixture sensors and all that stuff, and clean them real good. Just go through the whole system. That's what I'm going to be doing. Maybe tomorrow I can get out there. I don't know. Today I'm not ready. I wish I want to. I really want to get out there right now. Yesterday. But I don't believe that'd be very wise. So, but anyway, that's what I got. Passenger side window. Y'all have a wonderful day wherever you are. Don't get sick like me. God bless. And later.